With artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon.
If you get time, watch this.
Your Majesties, Your Royal Highnesses, Excellencies, dear laureates, ladies and gentlemen. This year, the Nobel Committees in Physics and Chemistry have recognized the dramatic progress being made in a new form of artificial intelligence that uses artificial neural networks to learn how to solve difficult computational problems. This new form of AI excels at modeling human intuition rather than human reasoning, and it will enable us to create highly intelligent and knowledgeable assistants who will increase productivity in almost all industries. If the benefits of the increased productivity can be shared equally, it will be a wonderful advance for all humanity. Unfortunately, the rapid progress in AI comes with many short-term risks. It has already created divisive echo chambers by offering people content that makes them indignant. It is already being used by authoritarian governments for massive surveillance and by cybercriminals for phishing attacks. In the near future, AI may be used to create terrible new viruses and horrendous lethal weapons that decide by themselves who to kill or maim. All of these short-term risks require urgent and forceful attention from governments and international organizations. There is also a longer-term existential threat that will arise when we create digital beings that are more intelligent than ourselves. We have no idea whether we can stay in control, but we now have evidence that if they are created by companies motivated by short-term profits, our safety will not be the top priority. We urgently need research on how to prevent these new beings from wanting to take control. They are no longer science fiction. Thank you.
With artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon.
Did you know the government can now tell you where to live, and you have 30 days to comply? It's called the Demographic Equilibrium Initiative. An algorithm scans your city, your neighborhood, your block. It decides the population is too dense, or too sparse, or not economically optimized. Then it sends you a letter. Pack up, move across the country. You have a month. Refuse? Your bank account freezes. Not a fine, not a warning. Your money simply stops being yours until you obey. The system calls this eliminating regional inequality. The algorithm calls you a variable, a unit to be repositioned. It does not know your mother lives 2 streets over. It does not know your kids grew up in that house. It does not care. This is not science fiction. This is what happens when efficiency becomes the only value that matters. When a machine decides that roots are a waste of resources and people are just numbers that need to be sorted into better columns.
With artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon.